Hello CSC 151 learners. This is the weekly check-in video. For this week, which is Tuesday, March the 31st and Thursday, April the 2nd, we'll take a look at Microsoft Access. In the assignment section of our Canvas course, you will find the instructional materials for Access. Please review. There are 3 parts. 1. An overview of Microsoft Access. 2. The Mountain Lodge assignment. And 3. The Mountain Lodge database, which you will need for the assignment. Remember to open this database in Access. You will need all parts to complete the assignment. Don't forget to save your work and upload it to Canvas by April the 3rd at 11:59 p.m. If you need any assistance, please feel free to email me at don@lasalle.edu. Stay safe, and we'll talk soon.